What are lenses? The lens is a transmissive optical device. It focuses or disperses the light beam by means of refraction. It consists of a single piece of transparent material. The compound lens consists of several simple lenses, usually arranged along a common axis. Lenses are made from materials such as glass or plastic, and they are ground and polished or molded to the required shape. The lens can focus the light to form an image, unlike a prism, which refracts light without focusing. Devices that similarly focus or disperse waves and radiation other than visible light are called lenses, such as microwave lenses, electron lenses, acoustic lenses, or explosive lenses. The line joining the centers of the spheres making up the lens surfaces is called the axis of the lens. The lens axis passes through the physical center of the lens. Uses of lenses. The lenses can be used in the manufacture of many things such as cameras, and magnifying lenses. They are used in medical eyeglasses either for reading or walking. They are used as visual aids and glasses to correct defects of vision such as myopia and hypermetropia. The lenses can be used in designing some optical devices such as telescopes that are used for the formation of enlarged images of heavenly bodies. The telescope is used for viewing objects which are very far off like planets in the solar system. There are two types of telescope, refracting telescope and reflecting telescope. Refracting telescope depends on convex lenses and reflecting telescope depends on mirrors. The refracting telescope consists of two convex lenses. Convex lenses are used in binoculars. Binoculars can be used to view magnified images of far-off objects. They are used in the military, in stadiums, and bird watching. They can be used in wars, and the leaders can use binoculars to follow the battles. The person who fixes the watches can use the magnifier lens to see the minute parts of the watches. The lenses can be used in microscopes which are used to form magnified images of tiny bodies that cannot be seen with the naked eye. Convex lenses are used in peepholes and doors. Peepholes are small holes placed on doors. They can be used in secret places for security purposes. The hole is very small, but the convex lens is placed in the hole to magnify the image that is on the other side. Lenses are used in a magnifying glass. They are used in prosthetics for the correction of visual impairments. They can attenuate light. They can be used in imaging systems, and they can be used in radar systems. Convex lenses are used in optical microscopes, multi-junction solar cells, and binoculars. The human eye is an example of the use of convex lenses. Barcode readers use convex lenses. Other common uses of convex lenses include scientific equipment, and projectors. Projectors can project images or videos on large screens. Flashlights use a concave lens where the beam of light is diverged to get wide light coverage. The lens found in the human eye is a convex lens. Types of lenses. Lenses are categorized as simple lenses or compound lenses. Lenses that have a curvature along only one axis are classified as cylindrical lenses. Cylindrical lenses convert laser diode elliptical light into a round beam or to focus light into a line, such as motion picture anamorphic lenses. Lenses are classified into two types according to the shape and purpose of the lens: concave lens and convex lens. Convex lens collects the light rays falling on it, so it is called the converging lens. The concave lens separates the light rays, so it is called the diverging lens. Convex lenses are thick across the middle and thin at the upper and lower edges. The concave lenses are thin at the center and thicker at the tips. Convex lenses are divided into plano-convex lenses, biconvex lenses, and concave convex lens. Plano-convex lens consists of a spherical surface and a flat surface. It bugles outward from one side, and it has a plane surface on the other side. Biconvex lenses are known as double convex lenses. These lenses bulge outward from both sides. They have comparatively shorter focal lengths than plano-convex lenses of equal radii in diameter. concave convex lens are formed by the combination of a concave lens side and a convex lens side that together form a concave convex lens, and they are called the meniscus. Its surface is curved inward and the other is outward. It has two radii, one radius is of the convex lens surface, while the other radius is of the concave lens surface. Thank you for watching. If you like this content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.